Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your device's keyboard. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, tap on Additional Settings. Then select Keyboard and Input Method. Tap on Manage Keyboards and the keyboard. Now select Theme section, scroll down and tap on those dots to see all available themes. Then just click on the best one for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. In order to customize it though, go into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!